Came to Parrot Mountain today, and we're going to see lots of birds and parrots. We're going inside Parrot Mountain now. Pretty pink. Rosalie, don't you think her feathers is like pinkish? Isn't it pretty? Oh, he's so cute. The toucan? Toucans. Toco toucan. You are so beautiful. I love what you did with your hair today. Are you guys husband and wife? Now you guys quit arguing.
Hang on. Got it? Yeah, I got video. He said, hang on. One more.
Oh, good job, Rose. There you go.
Oh, look, he's being picky about what food.
Yeah, there you go. Just hold it back here. Oh, now there you go. Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, there you go.
So cool.
There you go.
Yeah, put your hand out so you can eat. That is awesome, Benny. He's so beautiful.
She likes that.
And then I'll come over here. That's so cute.
Yeah, right there. There you
Oh, the birdie look.
That is so cute. Benny, he keeps giving you kisses on the cheek.
go. Yeah.
Put your hand down. Put your hand down, Rose.
Hang on, Rose. Hold your head up, Rose.
There you go. That is so cute, Rose. You'll laugh at your video later.
Hold it like that.
He didn't like it. He loves me.
He does love you. He's kissing you on your cheek.
Oh, yeah.
He loves you, Mommy.
Yeah, he's going to show
I
off.
want to hold him like a good
You want to go back?
Yeah, yeah.
That is beautiful, Benny, huh? Benny, turn towards Mommy so we can see the birdie better. Thank you.
Rose Kelly Marie.
Oh,
See your hair, Benny. He's cleaning it out. They gotta get all that dirt out of there.
hold him up.
Look, he
Oh, he went back up.
He likes back on your. That's cute, Benny.
Shoulder.
I don't know how they work.
Very beautiful.
Don't go off.
You want to do that too?
Hang on. Yeah, don't squeeze it. Oh, there you go.
Rosie, good job. All right.
See? Go like this.
Wow.
I wish it
And his claw.
Yeah, I had one of those.
Rock it back. Rock it back. Oh, sweet home to be. Where's the rooster? All right, let's go. Bad boys, bad boys. Bad boys, bad boys.
All right.
Give a high five. Give a high five.
All right.
What
What you doing?
What are you going to say? What are you doing? Are you looking at birds?
I'm looking at birds. I'm looking at birds. What you doing?
What you doing? I'm playing. See?
Does it bite?
Good job. Good job. Way to go, Rose.
Hit it slowly, slowly,
Real
slowly.
slow.
Slowly.
Remember like a Disney, one finger?
Go like, no. There you go. See that?
Oh, you got 2 feathers in here. Yay.
There you go. You got your rose.
I have it.
I'm a looking cocktail.
What kind?
I'm a looking
A Moroccan tattoo.